वेस्टर्न इंडिया कंपनी आणि एमपीटीन मिळून फ्लोटिंग ड्राय डॉकातले 35 लिटर ऑयल आणि 820 लिटर डिझेल पावसाआधी काढला अशी माहिती एमपीटीचे अध्यक्ष जे जयाकुमार हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We have with the WSL officials and our officials. Yesterday we removed the oil. Now we found out 820 liters of diesel in the generator and 35 liters of lube oil. So all have been taken out yesterday evening. Now the floating dry dock is safe in the sense there is no oil now. Only it is steel structure partially touching the ground. So this wreck, this almost is like a wreck. So this will be salvaged only after the monsoon. But before the monsoon, we have taken the oil. So that is the first priority. So we have removed the diesel as well as lube oil. So there is no chance of oil pollution from floating dry dock. And the next one is the Queen vessel. Last year itself, it is having issues. Now we already filed a case in the Honorable High Court of Mumbai. Now the Mumbai High Court also is trying various means for selling the vessel, but they could not do it now. The highest bidder also failed to take over. The Honorable High Court told us also to explore the possibility of at least a removal of that 300-ton bunker oil inside. But since it is submerged in water, the only method is a hot tapping method. But that requires a lot of money, and we are exploring international companies we are consulting. So in that method, a pipe will be inserted through the water and it will pierce through the tank and it will suck the oil. So that's an international companies we have to use it, but the cost, who will bear the cost? Ultimately the Western India Shipyard has to bear the cost. So with the rate, now we have to go to the High Court next hearing, and whatever the decision taken in the court also we have to go for it. In the meantime, we told WSL also to explore any other ways of doing that, because at present lifting the vessel Queen above water, that is floating it, refloating it will be difficult because it is having a lot of water inside. So since the monsoon is within a couple of weeks, balancing, refloating, stabilizing will be a problem, because any wind velocity, anything more, then it will be damaging the other structures. So that stabilization of vessel we will do only after monsoon. But however, within the month we will try by any means whether we can remove at least the bunker oil inside.